Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account tied to the Education Edition. This matters because the license flows from your Microsoft or Office 365 identity. Once signed in, open Minecraft Education Edition and pause. Make a local backup of any worlds you want to keep. This prevents accidental loss when changing license state. Next, close the game and open the Microsoft Store or the Xbox app on Windows so you can check the app version and available toggles. These initial steps let you act without surprises. You now move to change the license or remove the Education app. If the store allows, sign out of the Education-linked account and sign in with your personal Microsoft account. This can release the Education license and allow a standard edition. If that's blocked, uninstall Minecraft Education Edition from Settings Right Arrow Apps. Make sure your backups are safe. Once removed, install the desired Minecraft Edition, Bedrock from the store or Java from Minecraft, Net, and sign in with the new account to claim the non-education license. You finish by launching the newly installed edition and confirming your world's restored correctly. Move any remaining save files into the proper folder. Once done, make sure the app sees your personal account and that education-specific features are gone. If the education tag still appears, clear the Microsoft Store cache by running WS Reset. EXE and restart, then sign in again. If problems persist, contact Microsoft Support or your school IT admin. This usually means the account still carries an active education license that must be removed server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.